Come in.
Excuse me, sir.
Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. This is your first interview. Let's get started with your introduction.
Well, thanks for the opportunity has given to me to introduce myself. My full name is Alexandre da Silva Pereira. My call name is Alex. Now I'm 21 years old. Uh, I graduated from Telkom University. My faculty was creative industry, and my department was interior design.
Okay. What's your good character and your bad character? And how can you handle your bad characters?
About that one, I will start with my good character. Uh, my good character, I'm a optimistic person, and at the same time, I'm also a hard worker person. Why I say so? Because I'm the type of person who always looking forward, and also I'm a type of person that never stop doing something if I've not done it. And the other things about my bad character is sometimes I'm I've been a nervous person because when I'm facing something like new for me, I always be nervous. But to handle that, I always convincing myself to not giving up on it.
Okay. And what's your dream job? And what's your dream country?
Uh, that's a good question. About my dream job, I want to tell you about my short story. Uh, when I was child, my parents used to took me to the construction site because they are a constructor. So I uh, I'm always wanted to know about uh, all the things about construction when I was child, and that time when I finished my study in junior high school, uh, I decide I decided to move to some of the college, technical college in my hometown, and in that time, I'm also have had a two option for me to choose some of these two option, which is one is uh, architect and also one is civil engineering. But I knew that uh, these two major, uh, mostly my family, they are graduated from architect degree and engineering, civil engineering degree. So in that moment, I was confusing what I have to choose. So I did some googling in internet and I found out something very interesting major, that is interior design. That it has a same thing with architect, but it quite different because architect were mostly they are design about the exterior design, but interior design mostly they make their project in interior. We can say it like building, like some mini market and some kind like that. Uh, so I chose interior design. After that, I moved to Bandung in Indonesia. Uh, I studied in some of uh, best private school, uh, that is Telkom University. So in that moment, I realized in the future I will be good. I will be a designer. I hope I will become a good designer. So that is my dream job. So about the other one, about my dream country. My dream country is I think is Japan,
Why to Japan?
because there are a lot of things that very interest me. Uh, let's say about their culture, their lifestyle, their environment, their personal character. So, and the main thing that I love from Japan is their they're running, they're making everything. They're making everything uh, by technology. They are a more developed country in Asia. So uh, I want to build my career there, and I hope it will develop my career, and I want to exemplify uh, their character of work, their spirit of Japanese working, because they are so disciplined in time.
Okay, that's true in the time. Okay, let's move to another question. It's about why you apply to this job and what your contribution to my company and what you can give to us.
Okay, about this one. Why I choose your company instead of the other company? Because I already knew your company was a big company and a developed company in this area. So I want to build my career here and show up what I've learned from university, and what I will contribute to your company. I will showing up my ability and my experience that I've learned 4 years in university, and I hope I will useful and I will helpful in your company.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Alex. This is your all the interview. You wanted to say something?
Uh, there is some I want to tell say to you is thank I'm so glad to have an interview here, because you're so welcoming me here to have this interview, and I hope uh, if I'm being accepted in your company, I will be productively to your company.
Okay,
Thank you.
that's great, brother Alex. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.